Using logic like the if function and an or, and not is so important that I really want to go over using them in kind of a practical example here. So I've got a simple spreadsheet here that shows a bunch of products and some fake product numbers here, some costs, some locations. Let's say you could have things in the store or in two different warehouses, and then how many are in stock. And I've got the total of items in stock here. Now say we wanted to figure out if we are running low on some items in the store. So we could do a function like this. We could say if, and we could check to see the location equals store. Then we could put like the word store and otherwise just put blank. And then if I take this function here and I paste it, you can see the ones where this is true, where the word store is there, that is where the word store appears. So that's not that useful because we could see right there it's store. But what if we went into this function here and we said, okay, we want to actually test some things out here. We want to do an AND function around the conditions. So we've got this one condition here, but we can now add another condition thanks to the AND function. And the other condition is if the in stock number is less than 5. So now we're testing for is the location store and is the number in stock less than 5. If that's the case, then put 3 exclamation points. In other words, pay attention to this. And now we can copy and paste this. And there we see we have one item there that matches those. It is in the store and the inventory number is less than 5. So now this is useful to us. There are a lot of other things that we could do as well. So we can make this really complex by saying, okay, so if it's in the store and it's less than 5, well, what if we do something like this? We don't want it to be in the store. We want it to actually, if it's less than 5 but it's in a warehouse. So we can say not and put not around the location is in store. And what this is going to do is look for anything where the location is not in the store. Not becomes very useful here because instead of having to say is it in warehouse A or warehouse B, we could just say no, if it's anywhere but the store, location is anywhere but the store, then put that exclamation points there. So I'll copy this here and I will paste it. And you can see I've got plenty of examples here where it's not in the store and the inventory is less than what we want. We could do other things as well. So let's clear out this function here and do another one. Say we want to test the inventory and the cost. So we can come up with the result that ties in the cost plus the number in stock. So we could say if the location there is equal to, and let's say we only want to do store items, then show us the stock amount times the cost. Otherwise, and I just put quotes there just for blank. So now I can copy and paste. And now I can see here it's only going to show me for store items the total cost. So in this case 15 multiplied by 63.43. And it's even going to go and put a dollar sign in front of it because it realizes I'm multiplying by something that's in dollars. So I get a nice result there by putting a formula right there inside the result for if. So that gives you some ideas of how you can use if statements and or statements for practical uses in tables.